Today in this video, we're going to be talking about Facebook ads versus solo ads, some of the pros and cons, and what you actually should be doing in your affiliate marketing business. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? My name is John, and if this is the very first time you come to my channel, I want to welcome you here. On this channel, we teach you all about entrepreneurship, making money online, as well as affiliate marketing. So if any of those topics interest you, definitely subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, guys, in this video today, like I said, we're going to be talking about Facebook ads versus solo ads, some of the pros and cons, some of the differences, and we're going to try to determine what you should be implementing in your business right now to drive traffic and sales in your affiliate marketing business. So I pulled out my iPad. We're going to try to jot down some information here. So bear with me. You know, I'm a little messy on this thing. I don't really write good on it, but just bear with me and take in the information. So let's go ahead and get started right now. So we're going to start off by just writing Facebook ads. And then we're going to do versus solo ads, right? So the first thing that I want to say about Facebook ads is Facebook ads, you can be super targeted. So let's go and write that down. Super targeted with your advertising. And so with Facebook ads, you guys know that you can target demographics and age and gender and household income and hobbies and all of these things that you can typically target. Whereas solo ads, it's not targeted, right? And the reason why it's not targeted with solo ads is because basically you're just paying somebody to send your offer to their list. And maybe your offer is about CPA marketing, but maybe they're interested in blogging or they're interested in Facebook marketing. So typically when you do send a solo ad, you don't really know exactly what they're interested in, but what you're trying to do is cast a wide net and you're trying to see if you can get enough people that may be interested in the offer that you're trying to sell. And then of course, as you're building your list, you're going to try to convert those people over into whatever you're trying to sell, because just because they may not be interested in CPA marketing right now, that doesn't mean that from the content that you provide, from the information that you provide throughout your funnel and your follow-ups, that they may not purchase your information. Maybe they just didn't, know that they can make money with CPA marketing or knew enough about it so that they would even be interested. So you're basically with that solo ad, you're kind of casting a wide net and you're just trying to, get as many people as possible to try to come into your funnel, learn about what you're trying to provide, and then sell them something. Whereas Facebook, it's very targeted, it's super targeted, and you can kind of niche it down as much as possible. So secondly, with Facebook ads, it can be a learning curve, right? So let's go and write learning curve. Just because you have to learn how to do Facebook advertising. You have to learn how to, set up your campaign. You have to learn how to get a compelling image. You have to test headlines and advertising messages. So there's a learning curve. Like if you're a spanking brand newbie, Facebook ads may be a bit difficult because you're going to have to take some sort of training course to try to walk you through the process and give you some of the best practices in terms of placing ads so that you're not, basically throwing your money down the drain. Whereas with solo ads, there's no learning curve. And the reason why I say with solo ads there's no learning curve is there is just no learning curve. You basically take your link to your squeeze page or whatever your offer is, and you just give it to the solo ad provider, and that's it. It definitely doesn't take rocket science. You don't have to do anything else but basically hand over your link to the solo ad provider. They typically will write the message and send it out to their list and then give you the delivered clicks that you actually purchase. The next thing I want to talk about with Facebook ads is it can be expensive. So typically with Facebook ads, in our niche, you can pay anywhere between maybe $1 to like $5 per click. So that can get pretty expensive. So if you're paying $5 a click to, get traffic to an ad and you don't even know if it's going to convert or not, that can be pretty expensive when you're trying to test and tweak. And with solo ads, they're not expensive. So you can actually get solo ads pretty cheap. So we're going to say not expensive. And you can actually get solo ads for around maybe 40 cents per click. So, you know, you compare the two with Facebook ads, that can charge you anywhere between $1 to $5 a click. Or, you know, you can buy a solo ad for like 40 cents, 50 cents per click. So there's definitely a difference in price. So the next thing with Facebook is you have to worry about compliance. So compliance is a big thing with Facebook. Because Facebook really doesn't like the make money online niche. A lot of people that place ads on Facebook, they typically will get the ads put down. Sometimes you have to be very, you know, creative in terms of placing your ads, where maybe you have to send traffic to like a blog first or some sort of other static page and then try to get the person to opt in from that page. So you have to constantly test and tweak, you know, your ads. I've seen a lot of people where they've had running ads and they were making really good money, and then Facebook would shut their ads down. So you definitely have to pay attention to the whole compliance part of that, where solo ads, there's no compliance, of course. So with solo ads, like we said, you know, you literally just give your link to the solo ad vendor and they send it out, and you don't have to worry about compliance or anything. You're going to get the clicks that you actually paid for. So the last thing I wanted to discuss was the mindset. So when you think about mindset of people that are on Facebook, so typically when people are on Facebook, they're not really in the business mindset. They're not really in the mindset of, you know, I want to make money. Typically they're just, you know, scrolling through to see the latest pictures or trying to see what's going on or looking at cat videos or whatever the case may be. Whereas with solo ads, you know, when people get emails, you know, their mindset is a little bit different, because in their emails, they could be getting like their bills. They could be looking for information about making money online, checking their emails in terms of like whatever they're doing online. So their mindset is a little bit different. And I would think that they would be a little bit more in the mindset of, you know, business opportunities and making money online. Whereas on Facebook, they may not be in that mindset at all. They may just be using Facebook as an escape to basically take their mind off the day or the crazy things that could be happening in their life. Whereas when they're in their email, it's a little bit different mindset. They may be looking for specific things. They may be more in a work mode. They may be more willing to take action on what they see in their email and the offer that you may be putting in front of them. So as we wrap this video up, you know, it really just depends on, when we look at the pros and cons of Facebook ads versus solo ads, it kind of just depends on you and what you want to do in your business. Now, if you're brand spanking new, it might be a little bit easier to start off with solo ads, and you can kind of perfect your funnel to make sure it's converting, and then maybe you move over into Facebook ads. But then some of you guys maybe think that, you know, you get a good course and you want to start out with Facebook ads, and you want to be super targeted, and you want to do Facebook ads because it is a great way to, you know, drive traffic and sales. There's many people that do it now, and that's all they do is Facebook ads, and they're making millions and millions of dollars, as well as people are just doing solo ads and they're making millions of dollars too. So it really just kind of depends on you and what you are more comfortable with. And maybe it's that you figure out a way to do both. Maybe you do a little bit of solo ads as well as you do a little bit of Facebook ads. You will be able to determine what is best for you when you try out both of these methods. So question of the day, if you made it to the end of this video, I'd like to know, what is your preference? What do you favor? Do you favor Facebook ads or do you favor solo ads? So let me know in the comment sections below. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.